Okay, today we're going to talk about how to graph lines when we're given an equation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the equation down. I'm going to write y equals 2/3 x minus 1. Okay, and there are 4 steps to how we do this. So the first one is that we have to plot the y-intercept. Now, if you can remember from class, the y-intercept is also known as our starting point. I'm just going to write this down so that we remember it. Okay, and it's always going to start on our y-axis, and our y-axis is the one that runs up and down. So, over here on my equation, I know that the y-intercept is the one that is just a number. Okay, so I have a -1 right here. This is my y-intercept. So I know I'm going to start at -1 on the y-axis. So I'm going to start right here. I'm just going to put a little point right there. Okay, my second step is that I want to try to plot the slope. Now, if you remember from our earlier class periods, our slope is the change in y over the change in x, or y over x. We also might know it as rise over run. Okay, so I'm going to go to my starting point, which is -1, and I'm going to go up a certain amount and over a certain amount, and that's what my slope is. So my slope on my equation is the number that is connected to my x. It will always be the number that is connected to my x. So in our case, it is 2/3. So I'm going to go up 2 on my y-axis and over 3 on my x-axis, hence where we get the y over x. So at my starting point, I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a little point right there. Okay, and then I'm going to do that same thing again, just to make sure that I am doing this correctly and that I have a nice straight line. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, over 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my third step is that I'm going to plot the opposite of the slope. Okay, so if my slope is 2/3, like in the problem above, okay, the opposite of +2 is -2, and the opposite of +3 is -3. So instead of going up 2 into the right 3, I'm now going to go down 2 into the left 3. So I'm going to go back to my starting point. Now I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, into the left 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do the same exact thing one more time. Down 2 to the left 3. Now, all I have to do is just to draw and extend our line. Okay, so we're going to connect all the points. And you'll have to forgive me because I'm not perfect and I do not have a straight edge. Oh, yep, see? There we go. See how I'm extending the line past the grid? That's what I want you guys to try to do on all of your homework assignments. Okay, ta-da, we have now graphed a line when we were only given the equation. Nice job.